So page 72, this is probably as much math as you will have to do for an expected value. This is probably the longest question you will ever have to deal with in expected value. So it's as easy as page 71. Page 71, there was only one prize, like one way to win. Everything else you lost. So it's basically probability of winning, because rolling an even, it's 3 out of 6 numbers are going to win, and you win $3, and then right away we tag along the cost. We subtract the cost to play that particular game. That's as easy as it gets, and this is probably as hard as it gets. Okay, so here we go. Charity holds a raffle. Each raffle costs $5. Watch this, guys. There's a total of 2,000 tickets sold, and here are the prizes, right? So one ticket will win $2,500. 4 people, right? There's 4 ways to win this. There are 20 ways to win that prize. So this is prize number 1, prize 2, prize 3. Okay? And so let's write out our formula first. I think the formula should probably come first here because we're still learning. Calculate the expected value. So we'll go probability of winning the first prize plus probability of winning the second prize times that second prize second prize. So please don't forget what happens once you figured out, once you included all the prizes you can win, at the very end you go minus cost. Okay. You good? You did this already probably. Maybe some of you already did it. That's good. Probability of winning the first prize. 1 out of how many win? 2,000. Oops, 2,000. And the first prize is 2,500. Then it's probability of winning the second prize. There's 4 in 2,000 chance of you winning. And if you win, you would win $75. Plus 20 out of 2,000 win $25. Minus you paid $5 to play this game. Okay? So now, please refrain from calculating it all in one shot. I'm going to borrow one of these calculators for now. So here we go. 1 divided by 2,000 times 2,500. Sorry, I made a mistake, right? This is 1.25 plus, let's do this part, 0.15 plus 20 divided by 2,000 times 25, that's 25 cents, minus $5. So we add that up, you go 1.25 plus 0.15 plus 0.25 minus 5. What do you get? Negative 3.35. That's your final answer. So we know negative means you're losing, but make sure you put dollars, a dollar amount, okay? Clear? You're either really dedicated and you did your homework and you're just like, go on, right? That's okay. I don't mind that. You can accuse me of giving you too many examples. I'll take that any day, right? As opposed to not giving you enough examples. Should you play this game? You would say no, because it's only $3.35. Because you forgot the dollar sign. You have to say no, because the expected value is negative. That is the key there, the key to success there. If you were to play the game 98 times, how much would you expect to win or lose? You would basically go 98 times 3.35. We know that we're losing, so that's not what we're wondering about anymore. That is 328.30. So why do you buy a ticket? Because you never know, you might win. Okay. Let's. I assigned everything. I don't know how far I went with the assign part, but I'm going to ask you to work through a couple more. So I'm thinking all the way to 77. If you didn't get there yet, work to, so 73 to 77. Let's write down some answers so you can immediately know whether or not you're doing this right. So let's go to 73, and I'll just give you the answers so you know what to expect. So the first, this one on page 73, you should get this. Let me zoom out a little bit, write that down so you know. This one should be negative 250. Where should the negative go? Should it go in front of the dollar sign or after the dollar sign? I don't care. Like, just wherever just make sure the negative shows up. And those are the ones I'm going to give you for now. Okay. So you go ahead and try them, okay? That's important that you try. I would like you to